在第10课，我们要讨论饭馆的服务。生词：服务、上菜、错、清楚和我们的语法 result complements。OK， 所以第一就是服务，就是服务员的服务。It can be a verb or a noun， 像我为你服务 ，right？ We could also here we're using it as a noun。这个饭馆的服务不好，服务好还是不好？为什么服务不好呢？可能这个服务员他们上菜上的太慢了。上菜 means to serve food. 上 is a verb, 菜 is an object. So maybe it takes a long time to serve food. 上菜太慢了。那如果太慢了，可以说快上菜，快上菜，来来来，快上菜。We can also talk about doing things wrong and doing things clearly. These are both so-called result complements. So a result complement is a complement that's used to describe the result of a verb's action. So remember that a complement is a word or phrase following a verb or sometimes an adjective that provides additional meaning to that verb phrase. In level 10, we talked about level 11, we talked about direction complements like 出来、回来、出去、回去。A result complement doesn't describe the direction of an action; it describes the result of an action. So, I encourage you to look at some of the more other resources and the other links for details. But generally speaking, in Chinese, a verb only describes an action but not an outcome. For example, we have the verb look, right? 看. But it doesn't mean that you saw somebody. If you want to say that I looked and then I saw, I need to add a result complement in this case. 看见, to see and then also to see somebody, to meet somebody. 看见. So that's an example of a verb plus a result complement. 看见. Or 听见. There are many different kinds of result complements that again follow the verb. It's pretty much the way to use result complements is generally just to memorize the verb plus the result complement so you know which context to use it. There are many examples of attempt procedure verbs plus result complements. We're going to go over just a couple right now. For example, 太好了。这个字你写对了. So 写 here is the verb and then 对 is the complement, meaning you wrote it. How did you write it? Did you write it correctly or incorrectly? 写对了. Of course, the opposite of 对 is 错. This is our new result complement word. 错 could also be an adjective, like 不错. But here it's acting as a result complement. So you have a verb plus 错 means to do something wrong. What was the result of the action? Something went wrong. 你找错钱了. So 找 here is a verb. You were looking for change for somebody, but you did it wrong. You gave me the wrong change. Another result complement is 清楚. 清楚 can also be an adjective, right? Like 很清楚, very clear. But here is a result complement that follows a verb, meaning to do something clearly. 看清楚 meaning to see something clearly. 听清楚 meaning to listen to something clearly. What if I want to say I didn't see it clearly? You can say 我没有看清楚. 没有看清楚. I didn't see it clearly. 清楚. For example, 那个人是谁? 你看清楚了吗? This person is who? This is a topic comment sentence. Can you see it clearly? Here's another one. 小白菜卖完了. 卖 is to sell. 完 is the result complement to finish. So 小白菜卖完了. It was sold all the way out to finish. 那个人我没有看清楚. 糟糕，这个字你没有写对. This word you wrote wrong. 好， 这是我们今天的生词和语法，谢谢大家。